watching. We picked this up at the Goodwill for $2, I think it was, maybe even $1. And it's a chili pepper, and I figured it was hollow, and we've put 2 holes in it, and we're making a homemade tobacco pipe. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this thing. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut glass. We're gonna make this into a tobacco pipe, and I put a little bit of water here. It's got a dimple, and we have a hole saw tip, diamond tipped. You can buy a set like this on eBay for probably around $6, shipped to your door directly from eBay, probably coming directly from China. And they're diamond tip hole saw kit. All you have to do is add water, and we're gonna drill this. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do this. We're gonna put a hole here, and we're gonna put a hole here in this glass chili pepper. We're gonna make a nice little tobacco pipe. It's recording? Yep. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of water right there in the dimple, and we're gonna put a hole right here. Let's see what happens. Add a little bit of fresh water on there. Make sure we don't mess this up. That's thicker than we thought. Let the saw do the cutting. We're in probably like 1/4 inch. Oh, that went through. That's pretty thick stuff. We probably got about 3/4 of an inch thickness, and now we're gonna put a little hole here so when people go to smoke it, they can put their lips on it and smoke it. So what would you say, where would be the spot be? Probably right here, right? Let's see what happens. That's gonna be a tough one to do. Hold on a second. Almost need somebody to hold that. Penny, can you hold it? Hold on a second. Pause it. You can hit the button. All right. We need to get some. I got chewing gum here, or you can use some clay, or whatever you think you have. Some plumber's putty. And what you're doing is building a little pool around there, so you can fill it up with water. If you guys see what's going on. I'm gonna put some water in there. Got the water. And try to have a steady hand. Here we go. We're going to try to hold it steady and get it going. Gonna add some water. The hard part is getting it started, and if we had somebody helping hold this, it'd be great. I want to tell you guys, don't push hard, just let the saw do the cutting. It'll get there. Don't push down, only give it about the weight of the weight of your hand, the weight of the gun. The weight of the drill. Push too hard, you'll break something. There it goes. I just gave it the weight of the drill, okay? So there we go. We got that hole there and a hole there. That's all set. Right, we got a nail file over here. We're just gonna sand it real good so it's smooth. Maybe even give it a little bit of like a bowl shape. That's your mouth hole. And over here, this is where you put your tobacco at. So actually, I can't really get in there with this, so let me see if I could make it a little bit of a bowl. I'm gonna put this tip back on here and try to angle it. See if that does anything. Oh yeah, that's giving it that little bevel. That's nice and smooth right there. Got a screen put on top of this hole, as you guys can see, and he's gonna push it in and indent it so the tobacco can hold in its place, right? Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
Right.
This is professionally done.
Yeah. By who?
The unknown.
The unknown. Okay, go ahead. Put some tobacco in there. As you can see, we're only using tobacco. Don't use anything else with this thing. If you use anything else with this, you're probably doing something illegal. All right, here, break up the tobacco.
Put that on top.
This guy's a professional. It ain't his first rodeo. Right, or no?
Right.
You really rode in the rodeo?
I had a bull chase me out of the rodeo.
Did you?
Yeah.
Were you dressed in one of those clown outfits?
No.
You know what I'm talking about? That's what they do.
Yeah, no.
All right, we got the tobacco. Go ahead, show people that this thing works. Here's your lighter. We're not showing
Make
you
sure
his
you
face.
put this not towards your nose.
Yeah. If you put it in your nose, something bad might happen.
This is chemically.
Give her a puff. Oh yeah, you see the lighter going down. How's it work? How's it smoke?
It's tobacco strong.
Damn, that's a good pipe. All right, so you cut a piece of glass like that. That's how you cut glass, and we just made a pipe into it. That looks pretty cool, actually.
It's actually pretty badass.
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.